So looking at where the pretend bocce ball was of the pine cone, and where our black beanbag is, which really isn't a black beanbag but a whiteboard, so our pretend one, you said it was how many blocks so far, Ricardo?
17.
Okay. Look at the distance still left. What would you predict is a good number of blocks that it probably is from the pine cone to the whiteboard? If it's,
10.
you think it's another 10? Why do you think it's another 10, Ricardo?
Because just by looking at it, look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. But these are so big, so it has to be 10.
Okay, so Ricardo's thinking about 10. Who has another prediction of how many blocks?
13.
Why 13?
Because I counted.
Well, how did you count? Because we don't have them out yet. Tell me more.
I counted with my fingers and then saw what number I got.
So, okay, so you kind of looked about the size of your finger and you thought about 13 more blocks?
Yeah.
Okay, Ricardo thought about 10. Does anyone else have a prediction? Does anyone else have a prediction about how many more blocks, Shyla, it will be between where Ricardo is so far and our pretend black goal? Why 15?
Because 15 is too less.
Two less than what?
Because 1, 2, 3, 4, only the white birds are there.
Okay, so you think it's a couple less than what we currently have at 17?
Only we have 17, but only 17.
Okay, so you think it's another 15 then or another 17?
It doesn't look like, it's not 50.
If not 15, what would you think it would be then?
Maybe I can count them.
Well, no, he has 17 so far. How,
Not 17.
you think it's going to be
The
17?
white birds are right there.
Okay, so you think it's a couple less than 17 then?
Yeah.
So what would be a couple less than 17?
A couple less than 17, then you would have put another block.
Okay, so, okay, but if 17, you don't think it's 17, you said it was a couple less than 17.
15.
You think about 15? So how are we going to figure out how many more in
You
this?
pick more and count them all over again.
Okay, so let's start there and let's see. So 1,
17, 18, 9,
oh, you're going to count all of them together?
20,
20, uh,
21, 22,
2,
23,
23, oh, 24. I like how he's slowing it down till he puts it down. 5, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30,
31,
32, 33, 34. Thanks, Natalia, for helping. Counting. I wonder who else is counting. 35. Thank you. 36. 37. Oh, 37. We're going to start with 37. 37. 38. 39. We got to stop. Go grab some more. 40, 41, 42, 43, 40, 4. Good. 45. Oh, 45. 46. 47. 48 and 49.
50.
How many more do you think need?
51.
I think you might be right.
51 blocks.
How many?
51.
Now, what did we stop at the last time?
we stopped at when we got to the black beanbag.
Right, but where did we stop counting here, though, the last time?
We stopped right here.
Well, we stopped at what number, though?
We stopped at 17.
And now what number do we end up on? 50.
1.
Okay, so now we've got to figure out how many more do we add from 17 to get to 51.